Aliante Casino and Hotel here in North Las Vegas. So this is the self-park, self-parking lot here in Aliante Casino and Hotel here at North Las Vegas. Very nice day here in Las Vegas. Sun is out, blue skies. And it's not that hot, not hot. It is so nice. So we are going inside through the casino. Welcome to Aliante Casino and Hotel here at North Las Vegas. So you can see all the slots available. And there is this restaurant, which is Market Restaurant right here. That's the restaurant right there. We have restrooms. And this is also a restaurant, which is the farm, or farm. And then we have the Boyd Rewards. Boyd Rewards. So this is the high limit slots. And then there's a bar in there inside the high limit slots. Then we have the cashier's cage. And that's the exit to the covered car park. And then this is the bingo. There is a bar right here in the middle, but we will go to that later. So there is another bar in here. And then this is the sports book. So this is one of the casinos here in North Las Vegas that has a It has a large sports book right here. And a lot of TVs and big TVs. So that is the sports books right there. And then this is the bar right here. The bar. And these are kiosks if you want to place bets in here. And then slots. Exit, exit to the car park. And that's the garage elevators right there. Garage elevators. And these are also entrance on a different South Park on the other side of the casino. And this is the Regal Cinema Stadium 16. And we have the arcade here. Arcade. Arcade for the kids. Play with. Stadium 16. And this is the entrance to the theaters. So they have a photo strip booth. And then this is the concessions area right here. Concessions, snacks, concessions area. And it looks like they have a promo for the fall guy. And then these are kiosks if you want to get your tickets here. When you go to the movie theaters, and a lot of slots here on this side. And on the left side would be the food court. So we have Orange Julius right there. We have Rubio's. We have Johnny Rockets. And on this side right here are the slots. Slots. Slots, slots. And so we have Capriotti's right here. Sandwich place. And still a lot of slots. And then this is another restaurant which is called Bistro. Bistro 57. 7 wings. So this is the restaurant, Bistro 57. Bistro 57. So now, and then this is the lounge that I was talking about. So this is the ETA lounge. And this is the entrance to the ETA lounge. So, yep, they have a dress code of no baggy or oversized pants, shorts or shirts, no athletic attire or tank tops, dress shorts only. Management reserves all right. So, yeah, so this is the ETA lounge. It's the in the middle part of the casino. Yep, so that is Bistro 57. So, Raider Nation, yeah, let's go Raiders. So again, in the middle part are the table games. Table games, they have the blackjack, baccarat. So the table kings are in the middle, right here. And so now, so this is the buffet before, but I'm not sure if they're opening it up again. So the buffet area right now it is closed. This is the buffet that they had going on before the pandemic. And then there is the Starbucks coffee over here. Starbucks. There. Then we have another restaurant here, which is the Salted Lime restaurant, which is a Mexican Hispanic cuisine restaurant. So these are box office tickets. Because on the other side, so there's a bar here. Because this is Access right here, Access. This is a like a concert venue here at this hotel and casino. And that's the entrance and exit. Another restrooms. And then we have TGIF. So they have TGIF here at Aliante. So this is the bar area for TGIF. So we have the hotel lobby right here. And this is the entrance to the hotel elevators. And then let's see, looks like they have, oh, they have gift shops here. Gift shops. So, this is their gift shop area. Oh, and this is the conference. So if you have like ceremonies and special events, so this would be the place for it. Yes, conference Aliante. And so this is there. Yes, these are. So they have conference rooms here. Like this is an HR meeting, senior expo. Mm, smells good in here. Smells good. Wow. They have the pool hours of operation. Oh, okay. So there is an entrance to the pool right here. So this is the pool. Oh, okay. I just went around. So if you want to go to the pool, I think it's open to the public. It's pool hour operations is 11 o'clock a.m. to 7 p.m. So, yep. This is called the deck. And yep, so this is the pool area that they have right here. This is their pool, and they have a bar right there. All right, all right. So yeah, it is nice. If you want to go swimming here at Aliante, you have the pool, and so this is the entrance and exit. The, oh, the other way. Yep. And then this is the waiting area lobby for the hotel. Here you go. Wow, it is nice. And they have a nice lobby right here. Guest services. And that is the hotel lobby. And so now this is the exit right here. All right. And so we are now out. So enjoyed watching how the Aliante Hotel and Casino looks like. Give it a like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch this video next, and thank you for watching.